Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I received your buy data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you are unhealthy, better you stay in the Philippines, okay? If you are
Yes,
healthy, then you can proceed um, applying to other countries. So you don't have any problem with your body?
no, ma'am.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mary Joy Labanes. I am 25 years old. I have one son. I am from Mindanao, Philippines. Um, uh, that's
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single, married,
yes.
or single with live-in partner?
I am single mom
You are a
and no
single
partner.
mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
My birthday, mom, is June 3, 1999.
What is your height and your weight?
My
Okay, what is your height and your weight again? What
my
is your
height,
height and
mom,
your
is
weight?
5'2". My weight, mom, is 56.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate, mom. I was,
Okay, this is your first time working abroad, is it?
mom.
And you are a single mother and you got one child, which is how old is your child?
Is 4 years old, mom.
Who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, mom.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My 58, mom, and she's taking care of my mother.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Eight.
How many brother and how many sister?
Five brothers and three sisters,
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
and six more from Elvis.
You are the sixth in the family.
Yes.
So, um, what about your father? How old is your father and what is his occupation?
My father is died, mom, 5 years ago.
Okay, deceased already. So, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, mom.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2016 to 2018 as what?
Yes, I have experience, mom, in house helper, cleaning, and gardening, cooking, and ironing.
Did you do laundry?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take your
All
children
are
there?
no, mom.
In which place in the Philippines this was? 2016 to 2018, you worked there for 2 years, am I right?
Yes, ma'am, and Cagayan, ma'am. Cagayan
Cagayan.
de Oro.
Way back 2019 to 2020, you work as what?
And Cavite, ma'am, and house helper.
House helper also. You work for
Yes,
1 year. Okay, what is your job there?
all around, ma'am, like cooking and cleaning and gardening, ma'am.
You do house chores, cooking, ironing, Gardening, and what about laundry?
Yes, ma'am. All around.
So you only do house chores. You didn't take care of children or any elderly.
Eh, No, ma'am.
Way back 2021 to 2024, did you have any working experience or what?
I am a farmer mom, and I am a house
So
mother.
way back 2021 to 2024, you are a
Yes, ma'am.
full-time mother while um, working in the farm, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know that being a domestic helper is very tough, most especially that this is your first time working abroad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I do uh, hard work, ma'am, and uh, my my homesick is out.
Oh, so you will just focus on your work.
Ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Can I say that? No, ma'am. I'm scared. Big dog.
Okay,
I,
it's okay, no problem. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract, okay? Are you aware of it?
yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once breach of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer at the same time with the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finished your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. Don't don't mention to the employer that you will go out on your rest day because we will going to stick with the rules and regulations of no go out policy, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will work on your rest day, of course, the employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have any problem.
No.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. If you are okay with the rules and regulations, then it's okay, you can come. But if you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here, yeah? As long as you are doing your job, you don't give us problem, then we okay, yeah? We just don't want that
Yes.
once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things. No such a thing because in our initial interview, you already agree about our terms and conditions, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted a better future for your kid, most especially that you are a single parent. So, every time you have concerns or any problems, you inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. As I have mentioned also, this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries or here in Malaysia, no such a thing, okay? We need to follow the rules and regulations and we need to respect our employers. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.